Today I'm going to be making a Dutch door page with these adorable little manatee guys. I designed this sticker sheet just for this purpose, so there are mirror images of all of them, and so that makes it very easy to set up a Dutch door page, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I have these two very pretty washi tapes that I got at Hobby Lobby at some point. I don't know if they're still available, but I think they really go beautifully with this color scheme, and I'm going to be using them to help anchor and as background for my Dutch door. So for our Dutch door, I have my background page. Now I need my page out. This will be the Dutch door that I'll cut with the stickers on it, and this will be another background page. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my washi tapes down on the background pages, and then we'll come back and get started on our manatees. All right, I used one washi tape for one page and one for the other, but you could combine them both. There are lots of different ways to do that. I went ahead and did a double width just to make sure I had plenty of room for my stickers. Now I need to put the grounding washi tape, and I'm going to do the opposite one with the page. Okay, I have my washi tape set, and now I'm ready to stick my stickers on the edge and then cut around them. So for this side, and I want to make sure I pick the stickers that have I want to make sure I choose the stickers that have the mirror, and I want them to go on the other side, somewhat at least, of the washi tape so that I will get a little peekaboo edge. All right, let's do this little guy here. And then we need this little guy. Oh, I ripped this one. And then I have a little fish who can also be mirrored. So let's grab him. Now the little background obviously doesn't have a mirror, but I'm just going to tuck it over here and it'll just look real cute by itself. There. Now I am going to cut around this edge, and then we'll do the mirrored side. Okay, I got the edge cut out and it's very cute. So now I've just got to stick the other stickers on the other side. That is really cute. So sweet. I love Dutch doors. I think they're such a fun little moment in your journal. So I hope you will give it a try and pick up my manatee sticker sheet on my website and have fun decorating your journal or planner with it too. See you next time.